Dog-related vocabulary. Picture and meaning. Dog, a domesticated descendant of the gray wolf, also called the domestic dog. It was the first species to be domesticated by humans over 14,000 years ago and before the development of agriculture. Stud dog, a male dog used for breeding purposes. The term stud indicates that the dog has desirable traits, such as a good temperament, physical characteristics, and health, making him a suitable candidate for mating with female dogs. Bitch, a female dog. Puppy, also pup, a young dog. Litter, a number of baby animals that are born at the same time and have the same mother. Snout, the nose and mouth that stick out from the face of some animals, such as a pig or dog. Muzzle, a piece of equipment placed over a dog's nose and mouth to stop it from biting, barking, or eating harmful things. Paw, the foot of an animal that has claws or nails, such as a cat, dog, or bear. Pad, the soft part under the paw equals foot of a cat, dog. Claw, one of the sharp curved nails at the end of each of the toes of some animals and birds. Dew claw, a small non-functional claw higher up on the dog's leg. Tail, a part of an animal's body sticking out from the base of the back and can be moved. Fur, a soft, thick growth of hair that covers the skin of almost all mammals. Whisker, any of the long, stiff hairs growing on the mouth of a cat, dog, mouse, or other mammal. Bark, the short, loud sound made by dogs, foxes, and some other animals. Another meaning. Bark, the tough material that covers the outside of a tree. Howl, a long, loud sound, usually to express pain, sadness, or another strong emotion made by a dog or wolf. Growl, a long, low sound, like the threatening sound made by a dog. Panting, when a dog breathes quickly with its mouth open and tongue out, usually to cool down or after exercise. Sit, of a dog, to sit into a position with its back legs bent and its front legs straight. Leash, UK also lead, a piece of rope, chain, or leather tied to an animal, especially to a dog at its collar when taking it for a walk or controlling. Harness, also dog harness, a piece of equipment with straps and belts used to control or hold in place a person, animal, or object. Dog collar, a piece of material put around the neck of a dog, may be used for restraint, identification, fashion, protection, or training. Kennel, U.S. usually doghouse, a small, usually wooden shelter for a dog to sleep in. Kennels, a place where people leave their dogs to be taken care of while they go on holidays/vacation, or a place where dogs are bred. Crate, also dog crate, a cage with a bed that a dog, especially a puppy, sleeps in and stays in when its owners are away from home. Crate training, The process of training a dog to tolerate confinement in a dog crate or cage. Wag. Past tense, past participial. Wagged, wagged. Especially of a dog tail or finger, to move from side to side or up and down, especially quickly and repeatedly, or to cause this to happen. Sniff. Past tense, past participle. Sniffed, sniffed. To breathe air in through the nose in order to discover or enjoy the smell of something. Jowl. The lower part of a person's or animal's lower jaw, especially when it is fleshy or drooping. Fang. Either of two long, sharp teeth at the front of the mouths of some animals, such as a snake or a dog. Hock. The middle joint in the back leg of an animal, such as a dog. Dog chew. Dog bites something over and over like a bone, toy, shoe, or stick, often for fun, to reduce stress, or to clean its teeth. Kibble. Dry compound feed in the form of hard round balls, especially used as dog or cat food. Guard dog. UK also watchdog. A dog kept to guard private property and warn of intruders. Guide dog. Known in the US as seeing eye dogs. That has been specially trained to help a blind person travel around safely. Police dog, also known as AK-9. That is trained to assist police and other law enforcement officers, for example, by finding or attacking suspected criminals. Therapy dog. That is specially trained to provide affection, comfort, and support to people, often in settings such as hospitals, retirement homes, nursing homes, schools, libraries, hospices, or disaster areas. Herding dog, also known as a stock dog or working dog, that has been trained in herding livestock. Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful, be sure to leave, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.